Hello guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video of my YouTube channel Daily English Dose with Akil. So I know that your time is very precious and I don't want to waste your time, so let's get started without any wastage. So first of all, we have got the idioms of the day, and the first one is to sell wool tickets. To sell wool tickets means to make empty threats or promises, to bluff. मतलब फजूल किस्म के आप धमकी दें किसी को, या मतलब कोई वादा करें किसी से, झूठा वादा है, झूठी धमकी जिसमें कोई अहमियत ना हो, empty threats. He is only selling wool tickets. He cannot do anything. It means the same कि वो वैसे ही बस लगा हुआ है, खाली धमकियाँ दे रहा है, वो कुछ नहीं कर सकता. And the second one we have got is when pigs fly. When pigs fly, आप इसको देख सकते हैं, एक्सप्रेशन से ऐसा लग रहा है कि unlikely to happen. That is never going to happen, impossible thing. You say when pigs fly when you mean that something will never happen. This phrase is used presently due to the unlikelihood that pigs will ever evolve wings. ठीक है, मतलब ऐसी चीज़ जो कि impossible है, कभी नहीं possible हो सकती, कभी वाक़या नहीं हो सकती. And the sentence we have got is she will pass the CSS exam when pigs fly. Okay, she will pass the CS exam. That is impossible for her. Third one for today is all dressed up and nowhere to go. The phrase all dressed up and nowhere to go means getting ready for something and then it never happened. This phrase may be used literally or figuratively. कि मतलब आप सब कुछ तैयारी कर लें, ठीक है, किसी ऐसी चीज़ की जो कि होनी नहीं है, मतलब आपको बाद में पता चले कि that particular thing is not going to happen. So the sentence we have got is she was ready to go for the shopping but her husband did not come, as usual all dressed up and nowhere to go. All hats and no cattle. It's a very common phrase which means that describing something who is full of big talk, मतलब कि कोई ऐसा इंसान जो कि सिर्फ बातों की हद तक मतलब काम करता है, बातें कर सकता है, उसके अंदर वैसे काम के लिए कोई एबिलिटी नहीं है. He can't do any work or any material stuff. So Ali is an all hat and no cattle. Ali ऐसा शख्स है जो कि सिर्फ बातें बना सकता है, ख्याली पुलाव बना सकता है. He can't do anything. And the last one for today is at the drop of a hat. At the drop of a hat का मतलब है कि drop of hat, आप खुद इसका अंदाज़ा लगाएं कि इसका लेक्सिकल मीनिंग, इसके लफ्ज़ी मीनिंग यही बनते हैं कि जैसी मतलब आप कैप को या हेड को गिराएंगे, अपनी टोपी को नीचे गिराएंगे. It means that very quickly, without any delay, her long marriage to Ali broke up at the drop of a hat. Next we have got the phrasal verbs of the day, and the first one is burn down. Burn down means destroy by setting fire to. The children burned the house down while playing with matches. मतलब किसी चीज़ को आग लगा के उसको तबाह कर देना. Then burn down again, it means burn until completely gone, especially a building. Two buildings burned down in the fire. And burn up का मतलब be hot. I am burning up in here. Open the window. मुझे यहाँ गर्मी लग रही है. I'm burning up. Burn up, consumed by fire. The papers were burned up in the fire. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't liked my video yet, please press the like button as well as share it with your friends if you like. So let's move forward. We have got country capitals, and the first one is Cuba. The country is Cuba and the capital is Havana. Second one is Cyprus and Nicosia is its capital. So pair of words for today are three, and the first one is envy and jealousy. Envy means to wish that you had something that another person has. I envy her ability to talk to people she has never met before. कि मतलब किसी चीज़ की आप विश करें, किसी चीज़ की ख्वाहिश करें, एस्पायर करें दैट वो चीज़ हमारे पास हो जो दूसरे के पास है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एनवी. मतलब ये पॉजिटिव मीनिंग आता है, इतने नेगेटिव नहीं है. बट एज फार एज जेलसी इज़ कंसर्न, अ फीलिंग ऑफ अनहैप्पीनेस और एंगर बिकॉज समवन हैज़ समथिंग दैट यू वांट. किसी के पास कोई चीज़ है लेकिन आपके पास नहीं है, आप चाहते हैं कि आपके पास भी हो, तो आप उससे जेलस फील करना शुरू हो जाते हैं. द टीम हैज़ परफॉर्म वेरी बैडली दिस सीजन ड्यू टू पेटी jealousies among the players. So the next pair of words word is invade. Invade means to enter an area of activity in a forceful and noticeable way. concentration of troops near the border looks set to invade within the next few days. मतलब किसी चीज़ पे किसी जगह पे हमला कर देना, दावा बोल देना what you say. And second one is attack, to try to hurt or defeat using violence. इन्वेड का मतलब है सिर्फ फोर्सफुल तरीके से एक चीज़ पे कब्जा या हमला करना, और अटैक का मतलब है वहाँ पे मतलब वायलेंस फैलाना, वहाँ पे मार धाड़ करना और सर्टेन थिंग्स लाइक दैट. ही वाज अटैक्ड एंड सीरियसली इंजर्ड बाय अ गैंग ऑफ यूथ्स. वो यूथ ही नहीं है, दिस इज यूथ्स मतलब यंग पीपल. एंड द थर्ड वन इज ट्रिफलिंग और ट्रिवियल. ट्रिफलिंग मीन्स a trifling matter or amount of money is small or not important. कि बहुत ही कम मिकदार की चीज़ की, पैसे की या मतलब किसी भी और चीज़ की, that is not important. That the quantity of that particular thing makes it unimportant or unnoticeable. It was such a trifling sum of money to argue about. मतलब ये बहुत ज़्यादा कम पैसा था जिसके बारे में हम बहस करते, इसलिए हमने नहीं की. Okay, the second is trivial. Trivial means having little value or importance. I don't understand how can she get so angry over such a trivial matter. Next we have got the quotes of the day, and as I had already told you that हम जो है CSS एग्ज़ाम और या PMS या किसी भी competitive एग्ज़ाम की essay के लिए कोट्स तैयार कर रहे हैं, तो we will have a particular topic, and today's topic is gender equality, and we have got some quotations for that particular topic. First one is until we get equality in education we don't have an equal society. कौन कह रहा है? सोनिया सोटोमेयर, Associate Justice of Supreme Court of America. ये designation, if you want to remember, you can do it as well. And the second one is achieving gender equality requires the engagement of men and women, girls and boys. It's everyone's responsibility. Ban Ki-moon, South Korean politician, says that. And the third one is it's not specific proof gender equality that is required, but general acceptance that women are at least equals of men or better. स्टीफन हॉकिंग्स कहते हैं कि औरत कम से कम जो है ना मर्द के बराबर है या फिर इससे बेहतर है, कम नहीं हो सकती. स्टीफन हॉकिंग, theoretical physicist. Okay, the next one is from Emma Watson, American actress Emma Watson. She says both men and women should feel free to be sensitive. Both men and women should feel free to be strong. So it's also important in elaborating the gender equality. The last one of the today is Gloria from Gloria Steinman, American journalist. She says women are not going to be equal outside the home until men are equal in it. Okay, औरतों को घरों के बाहर तभी बराबरी मिलेगी जबकि मर्दों को घरों के अंदर मिलेगी. So we have reached the end of our topic, our lecture today.
पसंद आया लाइक, पसंद नहीं आया तो टेस्ट चेंज करो.